Hey, I was just walking on the road and guess what I found? This guy, right? Just look at it. What is this about? Can you guess yet? It's a bird's nest. Looks like it's a shoe, right? See how nice it looks. Like a shoe, really. If you look, you can see that the inside areas, the parts with the where the eggs are supposed to sit, are looking fresher, greener. I wonder if the bird picked it that way, or did it just dry cause it was exposed? How long does it take a bird to make a nest? Can it be done in a day, 10 days? And will the insides dry first? I mean.
Pause. Nest making is a skill that birds have to acquire, and depending on the bird, it takes them anywhere between 2 to 3 days to even 2 weeks to make a complete nest.
Of course, if you're laying a nest, you start with the inside of the nest first. Birds have just their beak to lay nests with, right? So they'll have to start from the inside, and if they start from the inside, that means the inside are the oldest oldest leaves they're going to pick, and the outsides are going to be maybe something a little less conditioned or more dry, something like that. Either way, um, it looks like this bird actually has picked greener leaves for the insides of the nest so that her eggs or her chick, when they hatch, will have the convenience of finding fresh vegetation surrounding them. Now, of course, due to the freshness, it's going to be moisture. It's going to smell really nice, of course, because it actually does smell nice. Right? It's going to smell really nice. And what else? Oh, I don't really know. Besides, this thing is really craftily weaved. Did a human being weave this? Cause can you see the intricate patterns on this? You can't see very much of it until you start to wonder how did she, whoever owns the nest, lay something so well that she was able to extend room for it. Look at this is a picture of what it looks like side, and from the top view, aerial view, then from the bottom. So she had to have laid it like a shoe, really, like a child's shoe. She had to have laid it and then set a curve system at that base there, and basically extended it under. Honestly, this part is probably meant to sit on something, so it doesn't need to be covered. Like it doesn't need to be entirely. Besides, maybe that's how they live or something. I don't really know. But really, it's a well-crafted nest. It's lovely. Anyway, which means the conclusion: birds are not just smart, but they are very comforting creatures. I know there are many birds that many other animals have this kind of high sense of hospitality in them, and it's something to commend creature for. We're all creatures of hospitality. We get yours. Excellent.